Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, update KB4515384 causing problems on Windows 10. Click Start, Settings. Click Update and Security. Click Pause Updates for 7 days. Click View Update History. Click Uninstall Updates. Select Update, KB4515384. Click Uninstall. Click Yes. Click Restart now. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.